Hi there, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. And ako po ay nagbabalik si Coach Kiko po. I'm here to present to you a very, very beautiful concept. Okay? It's a platform na I truly believe baka makatulong sa inyo. Okay, so we are not a network marketing company. We're not an investment company. We're not a direct selling company. We're not even a business. Okay, but we help. Okay? We definitely can help a lot of people worldwide with this program. So yun po yung gusto kong pakita. But to start with, I'd like to show you some testimonials, some videos from our members from different parts of the world.
I just want to share a little bit about my journey. Again, I am Bielka Finlater. I am a New Yorker. I currently reside in Central Florida. I'm a married mom of 3 sons. 2 of them have special needs. And over 15 years ago, my 9-to-5 was primarily working in information technology. I was a QA help desk software manager. I worked long hours, sometimes up to 70 hours a week. And of course, as you can imagine, I was running out of time for my family. I quickly realized that I needed something different. I needed to find something that would give me my time back as well as replace my full-time income. And I found that in the industry of network marketing. So I donated my job back to the economy, and I have been a full-time entrepreneur ever since. So at the beginning of this year, my sister, Ursula Gaynor, she came to me and my sister, Dr. Lita, about the system that you, Mr. Baldwin, shared with her and Ms. Bridget Copeland Harris. And even though I trusted my sister dearly, and of course I have, great deal of respect for you, I told her no. I said no, I wasn't even going to look at it. And Ursula, because she is Ursula, she pressed in and she was like, you have to take a look at this. And so I did. And I am so glad that I did, because it was truly has been the best decision that I have made. I joined on January 9th at the $150 level. And within the first week, I leveled up to the sweet spot at $250. And let me tell you, we have found a powerful platform. And it is truly a system that works well when you work. And so for those in the community, I know there are some folks who love to keep score. So in my first 5 weeks of being in co-op, I received over $5,000 in donation. When I hit my 10-week mark, I was at $10,000 in donations received. As I entered into my 3rd month, I crossed over into $20,000 in donations received. And today is May 6th, so I haven't even hit my 4 month, and I've already doubled that donation and have received over $40,000 in donations. So the best part of that is that's great, but I have been able to bless over $16,000 to other community members in support of their various causes, and continue, of course, to receive donations for my own. And for me, it is really to make sure that my son's medical needs and his continued care, they're going to be taken care of when my husband and I are gone. So I am truly thankful and grateful that I joined this Co-op 50/50 family. And let me just say this one thing before I go. Everyone, as you heard so far, everyone has their unique journey. These are my results. Your results are going to vary. But if you truly dig in and lock arms with 2 people who see this.
Oh, yes, I am Nalani Rood. I am from the Midwest. I live in Iowa. I am a busy mom of 5. And even though the 3 are what we consider big kids, and I thought I would have time freedom when they were out of the house, it never happened. Like, I'm always on the go. When I found this Co-op 50/50, I've had massive highs in this industry for about 12, 13 years, and I've had some not so great moments in this industry, but I've been doing this full time. But when I found this, I was not in the mental capacity to absolutely just put my arms around it and run with it, because my team had been injured. And unfortunately, I was still in the corner licking my wounds. But I said yes, I jumped in, and it just kept slapping me in the face with goodness. And I just wanted to have private school money for my children. That's all that I wanted. And I thought if that came out of it, it would just be amazing. Well, listen, I got in January. My boys are 10 and 12. I could probably pay till they're sophomore, juniors in high school right now. We received so many donations. I will forever be a grateful Co-op 50/50 member. I can't shut up about it. Listen, the world seems upside down right now. Take a look at this seriously, and just, if you have to watch this again, just do it. Do whatever it takes. Just grab it and share it with everybody. I am so grateful. Thank you.
So excited to be here and be part of something that is just massive. So I have been in the online space in MLM for the last 6.5, 7 years. Have built really big organizations, been the product side for a really long time. I did crypto last year in a platform, did amazing with it, and have a lot of opportunities hit my plate, like daily. And I look at all of them because I'm always open to new opportunities, and nothing really was speaking to me. Nothing really was like, oh, I need to look at this more. And then this hit my plate and I couldn't unsee it. I watched the presentation that you guys just watched and my mind was legit blown. I had goosebumps and I'm like, oh my gosh, what did I just watch? And I couldn't sleep that night. And then I woke up the next day and I couldn't stop thinking about it. And I know it's a good opportunity when it keeps me up at night and I cannot stop thinking about it. So I just joined a few days ago, have sent out the video to over 100 people, have made $1,000. I don't know if we're allowed to say that. I made $1,000 in the last few days. And so excited, just really excited about what we have here and to think of all the lives that it can impact and change just around the world. I love the simplicity of it. Like people, the product space is great, but you have to wait for them to try the product. Do they like the product? Do they not like the product? Most companies aren't global. I have a lot of people that live globally. And this is simple. Everyone wants to make more money right now, especially with the way of the world. People are looking for something like this. People are looking for a simple way to earn income online. And that is what we have here. So I would not walk. I would run into the person's inbox, messenger, email, whatever, that invited you to watch this presentation and get in and get started today.
Hundreds of them on my file na pwede ko po ipadala sa inyo. May mga different na nationalities from Africa, from Europe. Okay? These are people saying, ito na mahalaga sa lahat. These two words. This works. Okay? So what I'm going to show you is something that works. Okay? Lagay po natin sa isip natin yan. If there's anything na maaalala nyo after watching this, ito po yung gusto kong maalala nyo. This works. Okay, so if you could create a sustainable income and receive daily cash flow in just 15 minutes a month, covering everything you need, want, and more, would you do it? Okay, that's a very beautiful question. I'm sure you will, okay? Income security crisis po. Ang pinagkakaguluhan ng buong mundo ngayon. And I truly believe as Filipinos, we are all familiar with this. Hindi lang ito bago sa atin. We have been insecure financially for so long. I don't know about you, but I have days na I have very good income. I have days that I don't. So it's definitely not a very secured way of living. Okay, so all the options are broken. Job leaves you broke. Gigs are unpredictable. MLMs have failed for the last 157 years. And this new threat that's coming in, AI, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, Gemini Pro, ang dami-dami pa, robotics and technology, they're all are threats. Why? Because they're now replacing jobs. Okay, according to Forbes website, 300 million people will lose their job in the next few years. 300 million. Isipin niyo po, 300 million breadwinners, 300 million with families probably. 49% of jobs will be lost because of AI, robots, and technology. Kung hindi yan nakaka-insecure, I don't know what will make you more insecure. So that's a huge problem for some, but that's also a huge opportunity. I would like to call this a challenge or an opportunity. So welcome to Co-op Income. It is your fastest way to wealth. Okay, so we have replaced the old with the new. Crowdfunding with cooperative crowdfunding and MLM with cooperative universal income. Okay? Bakit na-replace? Because before, crowdfunding is just you raising funds for a special project. Okay, probably a sick family member, kailangan ng hospitalization funds, may kailangang operahan, you need to raise up 1 million, you crowdfund. And by the way, crowdfunding is legit. It's legal worldwide. It's fundraising. Okay, meron ba kayong nakita na nag-fundraising siya sa Facebook, then hinuli siya? Alright, and have you heard of people going around, no, fundraising for their causes, for building a church at hinuhuli ng mga polis? Ba't kayo nagpa-fundraise? Illegal yan. Hindi po. Because fundraising is legit. And nung nauso po ang internet, napalitan yung pangalan niya from fundraising to crowdfunding. Bakit? Because now you can approach a crowd without going out of your house using the internet. Di ba? And I'm sure you've seen sa Facebook nyo, few times, may nag-scroll ka, nakita mo yung friend mo na nag-post siya ng na-aksidente yung tatay niya, kailangang operahan. They need at least 300 to 500,000. Okay, may picture yung matanda na duguan. Nandun sa ilalim, please send to our GCash for our hospitalization, etc. That's crowdfunding. Okay, PayPal. And a lot of more very, very famous Facebook. May nakalagay na donate now, donate now. That's crowdfunding. Is it illegal? No. Okay, crowdfunding is legit. Why? Because you're not forcing anyone. Pagka ba may nagpadala sa'yo ng fundraising or crowdfunding post, pinupersa ka ba? Sabi, pag ikaw hindi nagbigay, tapos ka. Wala namang ganun, di ba? So, it depends on your decision if you will help or not. So, walang illegal dun. It's your voluntary decision to help. That's crowdfunding. And now we replace it with cooperative crowdfunding. Because sa traditional crowdfunding, pagkatapos mo mag-fundraise doon sa specific situation na yon, let's say hospitalization of a parent, after naka-raise up ka ng 1 million, tapos na. And you have to do it on your own. We call it the cooperative crowdfunding because this time, you won't be doing it by yourself. You will do it with a team. It's community crowdfunding. It's teamwork. And ito ang good news. Hindi natatapos yung funds na nare-receive mo every month. Kahit ba napa-opera mo na yung nanay mo, napa-opera mo na yung tatay mo, napa-repair mo na yung bahay nyo, napa-aral mo na lahat ng pamangkin mo, hindi pa siya humihinto. Gusto mo yun? Of course. Okay, we have replaced MLM with Cooperative Universal Income, Q. Okay, why? Because in MLM, it's competition. Sa akin ka. Hindi, sa akin yan. Sa akin. Okay, dito po, cooperation. Because all of us, inside the community, every effort na gagawin natin benefits everybody. That's cooperation. Okay po? I hope malinaw. Co-op income or co-op I is a solution that works for everyone. Ito good news. You can get started for as little as free. Huh? Okay lang? So you don't think about, ay, mahal naman yan. You can get started for as little as free. Okay? And all you have to do is to complete 3 steps one time, then just 15 minutes a month na trabaho. So nobody will tell you, Kiko, pahinga ka naman. 30 seconds ka na nagtatrabaho dyan. 30 seconds a day. Okay ka lang? Is that really stressful? Then you can now pay your monthly bills, wipe out your debt, and fund your best life. Gusto mo ba yon? We call it a POP income. Predictable, ongoing, passive income. Who's the company behind? Who's the person behind? Naku, Kiko, hindi mo lang alam. Napakaraming beses na kaming natakbuhan. Oo, ang galing mga ako. After 3 months daw. After 6 months, pwede na i-withdraw lahat. Pinatikim kami ng first few weeks, first few months, as nawala. Guys, the owner and the founder himself is David T. Rosen, who's been in operation for online crowdfunding for 24 years. So I don't know about you. If somebody, if a company or an organization is inviting you to do business and they've been doing business for 24 years, would you say, stable na ba to? Baka, ano pa to? Di pa nila sure yung ginagawa nila. 24 years. Eh, hindi lang po yan 24 years. Siya po ang founder ng first online crowdfunding system in the whole wide world na ginayahan ng napaka-successful crowdfunding platforms ngayon tulad ng Indiegogo, Kickstarter, GoFundMe. Siya po ang nagsimula. So doon po nabuo yung aking confidence. Just like you and a lot of us, naranasan ko rin po yung mga scam. Alam ko po, kilala ko ang hilatsa nila. Una, walang pangalan. Pangalawa, picture. Okay, ito po, may pangalan, hindi lang picture. You can talk to him. Okay? And we do our regular live Zoom webinars with him, may Q&As and everything, meet and greet kung gusto nyo. Okay, and because of his genius na ginawa noong 2001, naka 170 countries na po ang nasaturate niya. He has members all over. And ito yung pinakamalaga. He never missed a payday in 24 years. Gusto mo ba yun? Do you want to partner with a company with an owner na zero case ng taong hindi niya nabayaran? Okay? And you can make a research, which I also did. Before joining this, nag-deep research ako. I did my due diligence. Hinahanap ko yung pangalan niya sa lahat ng corner ng internet. At naghanap ako ng legal na mga issues at cases. Wala po akong nakita. Yes, may mga cases, may mga naysayers, may mga paninira and everything, because if you're doing something that goes against the system, definitely marami magagalit sa'yo. Okay? But wala pong legit, okay? Wala pong naka-file or anything. And of course, we heard and we saw testimonials from people who are saying na 100% yung transaction nila is flawless. Okay po? So yan po si David D. Rosen. And now let's look at how it works. First good news, you get paid every single day. You don't have to wait for 15, 30, cut off or everything. Every day you can withdraw. Every day you get paid. Basta lumabas na sa back office mo, may pera, withdraw it. Within the next 24 hours, it should be inside your crypto wallet, which we also will help you how to set it up. And good news, even GCash has its own GCrypto. So hindi ka na mag-iisa, saan yan? May GCash ka. Meron ka ng crypto wallet, isi-set lang natin. Okay? Yeah, when you become a member of this platform, your income is earned in the cooperative. Okay? So you will have your own 3x6 matrix. We are not a network marketing company, but we use the most effective and most powerful compensation plan there is on the planet Earth, which is Matrix. Yun po yung ginaya natin at dun po natin isinalpak ang ating cooperative crowdfunding system. Now, the concept of people helping people being put in a powerful system of distribution, of rewarding, ay, panalo. Maganda yung konsepto, people helping people, tulungan, at nilagay natin sa napakagandang system na gamit, subok na hanggang ngayon very stable. As a matter of fact, the most famous network marketing companies in the world are still using matrices or the matrix system. Wow! Sana nakikita nyo po, no? So for you to fill in one matrix, you need 1,092 income centers. These 1,092 centers are all helping each other in that community for everybody to get their funds. Sipin mo yung 1,092 na tao ang kakampi mo. Hindi ka mag-isa. Hindi kayong dalawa. 1,092 strong. And everybody in this 1,092 matrix all helps each other. Okay ba? And pag napuno, once napuno, the system will give you another one. Okay, empty. Oh, hahanap na naman na iba. Hindi. Because the people following you, remember this is a copy business, this is a duplication business. The people following will also fill up their matrix and bibigyan din sila ng bago. Saan pupunta yung bago? Dudugtong sa'yo. It's follow me. So everybody who fills in their matrix, dito sa first matrix mo, follows your second matrix and you make money again. Kaya yung Mobius loop, kasi walang hinto. You are just recycling the same people from matrix 1, bringing them to matrix 2, to matrix 3, to matrix 4. Same people, over and over again, you make money. Wow! So you receive income in 5 ways. Your personals, their personals, help from above, help from below, and renewals. Okay, tako, Kiko, ano yun? Renewals? So you're telling me, mag-contribute ulit ako? Yes, you have to contribute monthly. Oh my, kala ko one time ito. Yes, one time out of your pocket, but doing good news. Your second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, onwards contribution will come from the funds you have received. The system will deduct it there for you to help others again. So saan galing yung pera? Sa ibinigay sa'yo. Are you okay with that deal? Bibigyan ka ng pera para makatulong ka sa iba. Okay ka lang? Saan galing? Ibinigay sa'yo. Wow. Okay na rin. Okay? As long as you follow the 3-step system. Mamaya, pauulit-ulitin ko po yan. 3-step system. Napakahalaga niyan. Okay, 100% payout, 25% goes to you if you're the personal inviter. 50% goes to the co-op bonuses. Ito po yung pinaghahati-hatian ng 6 na tao. So every time somebody contributes, 6 people will experience being helped. Every time you sacrifice that money, which is binigay naman sa'yo, second onwards, pero even your first contribution na pinaghirapan mong pera, na mamaya makikita mo kung magkano, 6 people will experience that help. And 6 people will thank God because of what you just did. Okay lang? Will it make you feel good? Yes. According to the manual of life, the Bible, it says you are more blessed to give than to receive. So the moment you gave, sabi ng Biblia, mas magiging masaya ka. Alright? That's nature. 25% is reserved for qualified bonuses. Ito po yung para sa mga taong nakakompleto ng 3 steps. Kaya kailangan natin gawin to because other than kailangan para ma-maximize mo yung income, kailangan kasi may extra bonus ka pa pag ginawa mo. Wow. And of course, kailangan natin gawin talaga. You want to maximize this. Tama? You earn insane money. Mga kiko, ano ba namang word dyan? Insane? In Tagalog, nakakaloka. Nakakaloka yung perang kikitain mo dito. Parang, too good to be true. Well, tingnan natin maigi kasi mathematics po ito eh. Sobrang laki ng ano, makikita mo. Okay, now let's talk about the 6 cooperatives. Now you can join, get in where you fit in. Kung ano yung kaya mo, pasok ka doon. Okay, the lowest of the cooperative is the I6 level or $6 or 370 pesos. Wow. Sa lahagang 370 pesos, pwede mo nang solusyonan yung education ng mga anak mo. Sa halagang $6 or 370, pwede mo nang mapagandaan yung retirement mo para at 70, 80 years old, pag nagkakasakit na tayo at nangangailangan ng maraming gamot, hindi tayo umaasa at humihingi sa mga anak natin. Sa halagang 370 pesos, mabibili mo na yung pinapangarap mong sasakyan na hindi naman kailangan magarbo. Yung simple lang, at least may panghatid sundo ka sa mga bata. Sa halagang $6, makakatulong ka sa maraming tao. Okay lang? Masyado bang mahal lang 370 pesos? Basta sumunod lang tayo sa 3-step system. Okay, mayroong basta. Or you can also join in sa I-22 or I-53. Pwede mong sabay-sabay yung join na niya kung gusto mo mas mabilis. That's about $81, about 5,000 pesos. Pag tinan mo, ay, medyo mahal naman. Yeah, tingnan mo yung kapalit. Okay, all you have to do is to follow the 3-step system and this works 100%. So for some of us, pumasok kami sa I6 and I-22, that's $28. 1.7, okay na? And 1.7 will guarantee you to receive at least about $2,500. So mga 130,000 pesos per month. Okay ka lang? Yung 2.7 mo, nagiging 130,000 every month. Labas ka pa ba ng labas ng 1.7? Hindi na galing sa pitaka mo. Because your renewals, as I said, second, third, fourth, fifth, galing na sa funds na ibinibigay sa'yo. Yes, naglalabas ka pa rin, pero hindi galing sa'yo. Okay lang, binigay sa'yo. Okay, and since everybody's giving every month, everybody's receiving every month. Kaya siya nagiging continuous. Of course, we have I-10, I-525, and I-1050. Mamaya makikita nyo yung mga max potential niya. Although nandyan na, pero tingnan nyo later. And for this to happen, okay, simply complete 3 steps one time. Okay, ito lang pinakamahalaga po na kailangan yung ma-memorize. Hindi na po tayo magme-memorize ng generic name, ng scientific name, para saan ba ito, anong sakit yung gagaling, kailan ba ito iinumin, before, on empty stomach, after lunch. Wala po. We are a crowdfunding platform and we're doing this as a community, as a team. Ano nga ba yung crowdfunding? Nagtutulungan tayo mag-raise up ng pera. Para saan? Para sa pangangailangan nating bawat isa. Okay? Simple. Direct to the point. Now, the 3 steps. If you complete the 3 simple doable steps one time and then just 15 minutes a month, you're done. Okay? It doesn't work for those who don't. That's simple. So, napaka-transparent niya. If gawin mo tong 3 steps, this will work. If di mo gawin, this will not work. Ay, ang hirap pala niya. So, pag hindi pala ako nagtrabaho, hindi mag-work. Well, try being hired. Subukan mo mag-apply at pag natanggap ka, day 1, absent ka. Day 2, day 3, huwag kang pumasok 1 linggo. Ewan ko lang. Kung ano, pagdating sa Monday ng sumunod na week kung tatanggapin ka pa. Wala pong trabaho na hindi mo gagawin. Walang bagay na maganda na pwedeng mahiga-higa at walang gagawin. Okay? Clear. Step number 1, for you to maximize this platform, you just need to be a Q member. So paano yan? Get the link from the person who invited you to this Zoom or shared you this video and tell them, I want to join. I-sign up mo lang yung link mo and choose doon sa mga co-ops na pinakita ko sa'yo kung magkano yung donation na ibibigay mo. The person will definitely guide you. Pwedeng sa $6, pwedeng sa 6.22, pwedeng 6.22.53, or pwedeng dun sa sweet spot, which is kasama yung 110, 191, mga 10,000 pesos. It really depends on you. It also depends on the people you know, kasi kailangan mo humanap ng tatlo na gagawin din yung ginawa mo. Okay? So step number 1, simply become a member, sign up, and send your first contribution. Second, build. Register 3 or more. Okay, so go to your friends. Okay, have a friends list. Sulat mo muna lahat and invite them to attend the Zoom, or kung di talaga sila pwede, just like this video I created, send them this video to them. But tell them, please, can you commit to watch it? Because this might help you. Kailangan ipakomit mo sila. Hindi, bro, panoorin mo ha. O, sige. Okay, make sure ipakomit mo at i-follow through mo. Why? Because maraming tao na pag pinadala natin ng video, hindi naman nila pinapanood. Okay, so this is step number 2. Invite as many people to a Zoom, which we do every day, Monday to Saturday, 8:30 p.m., or send them this video. Ganun lang, until meron silang mapa-join na at least 3. 3 is the minimum number. Madaming nag-join. Katulad ng ginawa mo, they also sign up, they send their contribution that will help the community, and that's it. Yun lang po. 3 or more. Pwedeng lumampas. Paano nga gagawin? Just invite them to a Zoom or send them this video. And lastly, step number 3, tell them to do the same. Okay? What do you mean the same? The same. Invite them to a Zoom or send them this video. Ganon din ang gagawin nila sa friends nila. Lahat tayo may friends, di ba? Lahat tayo may BFFs. Lahat tayo may kakilalang people who needs more money than on top of what they already have. People who can afford at least 370 pesos to at least 10,000 pesos. And people who is willing to follow a proven system like this. Yun ang hanapin mo. And gagawin din nila. And that's it. When that happens, you receive maximum earnings, you qualify to receive the extra bonuses, and it activates your Mobius loop. So, dire-diretso na to. Okay, so how much can I earn? Again, this is mathematics po. Wala po tayo ditong dinaya. This is pure math. This is multiplication. Okay, simpleng-simple lang pa. You get your 3. Paano ginawa? In-invite mo sila sa Zoom. They liked it. They joined. They contributed. Then you got $2.25 kung sa I6 ka pumasok. Ano gagawin ng 3? Gayahin ka lang. They got their 3 each. Pinaatin mga friends sa Zoom. Okay, nagkaroon ka ng 9. Let's say this is the second week. Okay, so that's $4.50. Anong ginawa nung 9? Katulad din ang sinabi natin sa lahat. Do the same, do the same, do the same, do the same, do the same. Invite your friends to a Zoom. Invite your friends to a Zoom. Wag ka lang hinto. Just commit. Make sure you are committed. Don't stop until you get your 3. How do you get your 3? Invite friends to attend Zoom. Hindi tayo nangungumbinsi. Hindi tayo kailangan magkita para pilitin mo sila. You just make them attend the Zoom or show them this video. Okay? 9 naging 27, 675. 27 naging 81, naging 243, 729. And because of that, meron kang $459 na na-receive when everybody followed the system. So that's about 26,000 pesos. You will experience that every 28 days. Why? Because every 28 days, we have to contribute again. How much? $6. 370 pesos. Parang pang-suporta mo na lang yan sa community. Okay? And there are even membership clubs na you have to pay every month. 500 pesos, 1,000 just to be part of the membership. Tama? And what are you getting? The club, the feeling of being a part. Okay, ito, you're getting 26,000 pesos because you're contributing every month of your 370. Ito maganda. First time mo lang bubunutin yun. The next 370 will come from the money that you have earned or have received. 26,000 pesos per month. Will that help? Magkano nga? 370. One time out of pocket. Ito maganda. Okay, once the system sees na may $22 ka na at i-on mo yung auto upgrade, which you should, you will be automatically to be upgraded to I-22. And if everybody in your team does the same, which is dapat din, we just tell them, turn it on, you need to be upgraded. And everybody upgrades, then everybody follows you to I-22. Magkano nilabasin nila dito? Wala. Okay? Hindi ito galing sa pitaka, galing sa kanilang funds na na-receive. So hindi nila nilabas. Tinransfer lang. Okay? Now, when you fill in your I-22, maximum you should have been bringing home $1,836 or about 100,000 pesos. Simultaneous with I-6 na meron kang 26,000. So this is about 126,000 pesos every 28 days. Magkano nilabas mo? 370. Or kung gusto mo nga mabilis, kunin mo yung dalawa. So magkano nilabas mo? 1,700. Magkano yung bumabalik sa'yo? 126,000 a month. 1,700 contribution, 126 pabalik. 1,700 ulit, 126 pabalik. Whoa. Pero paano yon? You have to make sure everybody follows the three-step system. Kaya dapat po dito may commitment. Pag meron kayong kausap na sabi, sige, try ko. Sige, sali ako, pero try ko lang. Huwag na lang. Tell them, sige lang, okay na lang. Hindi, okay naman. Kaya ko naman yung 1,700, wala namang problema. Hindi lang naman yung 1,700 mo yung kailangan ko eh. Kailangan ko yung commitment mo. Na you will follow the three-step system and you will also make your three people follow the three-step system. So nandito po talaga yung trabaho na part. The way you will motivate them, the way you will encourage them, the way you will make sure that they also do what they need to do. Doon po yan, sumula sa taas, pababa. Tapos na po ba? Hindi pa po. Automatic upgrade to I-53, $53 will be pulled out from your 126,000 pesos a month. And everybody following you, this will give you 4,590, about 270,000 pesos. So all three co-ops will deliver at least 400,000 pesos a month. Insane money na ba to? 400,000, nalanasan mo na ba yung monthly? Meron kang 400,000 pesos. I call it insane. Pero mas insane pa to kasi hindi pa tapos. Then you will be upgraded to I-110. Same people following you. And you can always add, sige, dagdag pa, mas madali ka na nitong kumakausap sa mga barkada mo. Pumipila na sila. Papakita mo lang yung wallet mo sa kanila. Naka-receive na naman ako ng kalahating milyon. Ha? Saan? Dito sa Co-op Income. Hindi mo ba alam to? Hindi pa. Paano yan? Ito, padala ko sa yung video. Attend ka ng Zoom. Ganun na lang po ang usapan doon. Alright, I-110 will give you 500,000 a month, including the 400,000 na meron ka doon sa previous. So simultaneously, you will be having at least close to 1 million every month. Okay na yon? Medyo insane na ba? 1 million monthly? Hindi pa. Kasi may I-525 pa. This same process, people following you, 525 is being deducted from the funds that you have, 45,900, and I think this is about 3 million pesos plus your 1 million. Mga 4 million a month na to. Okay na? Kaya pa? Hindi pa. Kasi may 1050 pa. This is the last, 91,800. I think this is about 4 million plus. So all in all po, mga 8.5 million a month. A month. I don't know if we cannot call that insane money. And hindi po to galing sa kaban ng bayan ha. Hindi to galing sa sa pangungurakot o corruption. Hindi. Galing po ito sa pagtutulungan nating lahat. It works for everyone. Co-op works for 100% of the people, 100% of the time. Who completes the 3 steps? So ito ngayon, 8 million a month? O 10% na lang natin. Hindi naman yan agad-agad mangyayari in 1 month. Let's say, it took you about 1 year for all these things to happen, pero nag-start ka sa mababa. Okay, probably in the 3rd or 4th month mo, you're now getting at least 50,000, 80,000, or 100,000 a month. Okay na ba yun? And pataas ang pataas bago maabuti yung 8 million a month. Pwede. And all you have to do is to commit to make this works. Because it works 100% if you complete the 3 steps. So ngayon pa lang, magdesisyon ka na. I commit to make it work. It will work for everyone. Co-op gets you money. So join us right now. Huwag nang patagalin. Go back to the person who invited you to watch the Zoom or who shared this video. And if aalisin po natin lahat ng agam-agam, lahat ng mga doubts and fears, baka hindi totoo yan, baka kalokohan yan, baka scam yan. Subukan nyo alisin yun. Do you think the system will work? Kung walang taong magsasabing hindi totoo yan, hindi yan mag-work. Wala pang nakakagawa niyan. Kung alisin po natin yun, do you think this will work? Yes! Because the system works. Kaya lang po hindi nagwo-work kasi yung mga tao sa loob hindi nagwo-work. But if we commit to work on this, will this work? 100%. Alright, please go back to the person na nag-share sa inyo nito and tell them, I am in. Let's do this. Let's get busy with it. Ako po again si Coach Kiko. Ako po ang inyong mentor. Ako po ang inyong coach for this platform. If you commit to make this work, I commit to help you to make this work. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone.